Good morning, guys. It is so early. It's probably like 7:50 in the morning. I just took my daughter to school, but I'm back home and gonna get the day started. First things first, we open the windows, all of the windows in the house, and I gave you a little peek at Bella, who is still snuggled up and going to bed. But yes, open all of the windows. This helps me wake up because when I drop my daughter off at school, it is still dark outside. And first things first, we're gonna make coffee. You're not supposed to drink coffee first thing in the morning. You're supposed to have 30 grams of protein. Do I listen to that? Absolutely not. I'm drinking the new strawberries and cream pod. I think that's what it's called, from Nespresso. It is so good. And then I only use real milk creamers. That is the Bliss sweet cream creamer, and it's so good. I always make sure I wash my frother after I use it, and then I get on the couch and enjoy my coffee and doom scroll. And this is usually the time that I talk to the baby because he is very active in the mornings, and so I like to feel his kicks and talk to him a bit. And yeah, I do that literally every single morning. After coffee, it's been like about an hour and a half, and it's time to like actually start my day. So I go get ready. I always put oil in my hair in the mornings because my hair is typically frizzy. I have low porosity hair. Brush my teeth. And then I start on my skincare. Also, look. I have a white hair. Or gray. I don't know. Yeah, aging. Cool. So I'm going to wash my face. I use Aveeno. I don't know what this is called. I'll put it on the screen or down in the description box. I use an Aveeno face wash, and then I open all of my lymphatic drains because I'm going to gua sha my face. This is just a small portion of my gua sha routine. I'm not showing you the whole thing, but if you're interested in it, let me know and I can make a skincare video and talk about this routine. But I just started doing this again because as you're pregnant, your face swells and whatnot, and so I'm just trying to keep that at a minimum as much as I can. And then finish up my skincare routine. I'm using the Laneige Milky Toner, the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Eye Mask. I use this as an eye cream and not an eye mask because it's fantastic. The Naturism Vitamin C Serum, and then the Caudalie Vinoperfect Dark Spot Brightening Serum, and then the Vanicream Facial Moisturizer, and some Laneige lip mask. Lip mask goes on in the morning and night. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my daughter's room picked up and cleaned. It's not really dirty or anything. I don't really like clean up her room, but I do like to make her bed for her. It's just a healthy habit. And honestly, I don't know if she could make this by herself because her duvet is extremely heavy because it is a king size duvet. But yeah, this is her room. Super cute. She was definitely going for a cottagecore vibe, and it's almost completed. I just need to buy her a new dresser and have that side of the room decorated, but so far that's what it looks like. Now we're gonna go downstairs and feed the girls because they are now awake. Get them some water and let them in. This is probably the best part of their day. They're usually very happy in the mornings. And then we're gonna go ahead and get started on our chores for the morning. I do this every single morning. I try to keep up with my morning chores because they really do set the tone for the day. So empty out the dishwasher, put away the dishes. That way the dishwasher is free to use for the rest of the day. And then I go ahead and do the dishes that were used after I had loaded the dishwasher because 9 times out of 10 there are dishes that I use after the dishwasher has been started. So get those in the dishwasher. I am going to wash that pot. Usually I would throw any of my stainless steel products in the dishwasher as well, but since it is early in the morning, I will probably use this pot at some point today, so I'm just going to wash it by hand and have that ready to go. And then always wash your sink when you're done using it. Every single time. I'm not polishing it or anything. I do like when it's polished, but definitely wash it, rinse it. Yeah. and then wipe that down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up the counters. My kitchen's not a mess or anything, but I absolutely despise having stuff on my counters. I do not like clutter. It makes me really anxious. I even think that like the amount of stuff I have on my counters is too much. I know, odd. I know. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up my living room, and here she is. I do need some artwork on the walls. I know what I want to do as far as the rest of my decor in here. I just haven't started that yet. Then kitchen is clean. Still need bar stools. I know what bar stools I want, and they haven't come back in stock in months. So I'm on the hunt for different ones, and I can't find anything that I like as much as the ones that I want or similar to the ones that I want. I am struggling. Also still need a small table here because the space is too empty for me. I need to make myself some breakfast because I'm starving. I have a tree coming today for this planter right here, and I will show you guys probably me putting that up once it gets here. Okay, I just sat down for my breakfast. Thought I'd show you guys what I'm eating. A little bagel thin with some egg and turkey bacon, and then some ratio yogurt with raspberries and granola. This stuff has 28 grams of protein per serving, and I think a serving is like 2/3 of a cup. I just got the tray in. It's right here on the table. I've had this tree on my Amazon wish list for freaking ever. And I don't know, it's always stopped me. Like, I'm so bad at buying, like, I'm so bad at convincing myself to buy things. It is horrible. Whereas, like, if my kids want something, I don't blink twice. And if my husband wants something or like something, like, he just buys it immediately. Or if he does ask my opinion, I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah, babe, get it for yourself. Whereas me, if it's for the house, if it's for myself, it will literally take me months to buy it, like months. Yeah, so this has been in my Amazon cart for 6 or 7 months now. And I just bought it. And it's not like because it's like super expensive or anything. I just have commitment issues with buying stuff. Tree is put together. I don't know if you can like really tell like how much she takes up this area, but she does a good job. You can see her next to my refrigerator. She's taller than the refrigerator, so that's a good indicator of like how big she actually is in person. I do still need to get the moss. I'm waiting for them to deliver that, but she's on a box in here, and then she has filling around her. But I'm so happy. I don't know if I showed you guys this up close. If you have a fear of holes, I'm so sorry for how this looks. But this is like stone or concrete or something, I don't know, but it's a really good quality pot. She was $60. I saw her at Home Goods and I loved her, but I was like, I'm gonna keep looking. And then I couldn't stop thinking about her all weekend, so I went back like 2 or 3 days later, crossed my fingers to hope she was still there, and she wasn't in her spot. So I had to look around the store and I found her, and I'm so happy I did. So happy I committed to it because I think it's so freaking pretty. But yeah, I have been wanting a tree right here for the longest time. I saw boxes all over my table, but yeah, I just feel like it fills in the dining room a bit more. I still need curtains up here and then a gallery light above these pictures. These pictures will eventually be changed once baby gets here because we'll have new family pictures to put up. Those are the last 2 things I need to do in here. Oh, I need a centerpiece for the table. Okay, here's the tree in all of her glory. She is filled with her moss now, and she's perfect. I love her. I love how this turned out. Cute little project. So this is where we're going to end the morning vlog. Thank you for spending the morning with me. It's actually pretty late in the evening, and I have other things to do now. I think the next video I put out is probably going to be about my skin or makeup. I don't know. It's gonna be one or the other. Did y'all notice how swollen my face was in the last video? It was because I had filmed it like shortly after being sick, but like my face and neck, like there was no distinction between the two. And like I can't tell if it's, I feel like it's better, but like I can't tell like if it's like too much better, but like
My face was swollen in that last video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me this morning. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.